A very good morning and welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel Primary Ke Punk. I am Tarkeshwar Pandey and today I am going to start our 8th chapter. The name of this chapter is Reaching Grandmother's House. This chapter is the next part of 6th and 7th chapter. It means this chapter is also the next part of Omana's journey and from the window. After covering their long journey, Omana and her family members reached Kottayam in the night. Her Vatiyamma's house, means her mother's sister house, was not far from the station, and they had to take 2 auto rickshaws to get there. But then Omana was very sleepy and did not even wait to eat anything. She took a bath and slept. She thought she had just fallen asleep when Amma woke her up again. They got ready, took their luggage and went to the bus stand. Valiamma's family also came with them. They were 10 people and had a lot of luggage too. The bus conductor came and Appa bought tickets for all of them. They managed to get seats as it went along. The bus got very crowded. People were sharing the seats. They also had to share their seats. After a long ride, the bus reached the last stop. Omana was happy to get off. Her legs were stiff. She could hardly stand. Omana thought that they had finally reached Amumma's village, means mother's mother village, but it was not right. Their travel had not ended yet. The bus had dropped them by the waterside. They had to go across the water. She was wondered that how will they cross the water. Just then she saw a boat coming. There was the ferry. Her Amma explained that ferry was used by people to cross the water and reach the other side. The boat arrived there. Immediately, a big crowd of people started getting off. School children, men, women, all with their packets of luggage. As soon as the ferry got empty, the big rush started from their side. Everyone had to pay the fare before getting on. Very soon the ferry was full. It started off again. Omana managed to get a place to stand along the railing. She saw the rippling of the still water as the ferry moved. It was moving smoothly on the water. There were rows of coconut trees on the banks of the river. As they moved swiftly, she could see people fishing, washing, bathing, and working along the banks. Just before the sun disappeared into the water, the ferry reached the island and stopped. It was time for them to get off. At last they reached Amumma's place. What a long and interesting journey it had been. Now I want to say something about ferry. First of all, know what is ferry. A boat or ship for taking passengers across an area of water, especially as a regular service, is called ferry. Once again, I want to repeat that what is ferry. A boat or ship for taking passengers across an area of water, especially as a regular service, is called ferry. Ferry is used generally for the crossing of water bodies. In many parts of Kerala, the ferry and other kind of boats are commonly used to travel from one place to another. You have already known that when you have to go by the train, then you must need a train ticket. So, know about train ticket, that which information can we know from train ticket. A train ticket has many informations. We can know by the help of a train ticket. Number 1, the train number. Number 2, the date of the starting of the journey. Number 3, the berth and the coach numbers. Number 4, the fare or cost of ticket. Number 5, the distance from starting station to leaving station. Number 6, we can also know the route of the train. Number 7, the name of stations between. Once again, I want to repeat that which informations can we know by the use of train ticket. Number 1, the train number. Number 2, the date of the starting of the journey. Number 3, the berth and the coach numbers. Number 4, the fare or cost of ticket. Number 5, the distance from starting station to leaving station. Number 6, we can also know the route of the train. Number 7, the name of the stations between. Now know about railway timetable. Railways have a timetable for its trains. The timetable contains the details of the train, that is the place from where the train starts, its destination, and how many stations come in between. In how many stations that train stops with its time of arrival and departure. Now this is the time to sum up our learning. So please listen very carefully and revise your taught things. On reaching Kottayam, Omana's family took 2 auto rickshaws to reach Valiamma's house. Next day in the morning, Omana's and Valiamma's family caught a bus for Ammuma's village. The bus dropped them near a riverside. From there, they took a ferry to cross the river to reach Ammuma's village. She saw rows of coconut trees, people bathing, washing, fishing, and working along the bank of the river. Omana enjoyed the smooth ride of the ferry. By evening, they reached the island and got down there. Railways have a timetable for its trains. The timetable contains the details of the train, that is the place from where the train starts, its destination, and how many stations come in between. In how many stations the train stops with its time of arrival and departure. I think you will have known everything and understand clearly. If you have any doubt, then you can revise this video once again. We will meet shortly in the next video. For your affection and help towards this channel, I am very grateful to you all. Thank you and have a nice day. If you are first time viewer of this channel, then subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more update about this channel.